This is the example only of a man who was divorced by his wife due to multiple affairs. You can see. Welcome to my channel, friends. So I have decided to share my 9 years of hard work and experience with you, and most of the topic are concerned with youth generation. And first you have to go and watch Learn Astrology part 1 to 4 on my channel list. Then you will be able to understand the basics and move forward to these videos. Thank you. Good afternoon. Today I will talk about multiple affairs. That is one of the main reason for divorces nowadays, and it is easily identifiable through Vedic chart thanks to our ancestor who has made this astrology, through which you can easily identify whether a person has multiple affairs or cheating, you can say, in his or her Vedic chart or not. So first one is Rahu. Rahu, that is the lord of all unorthodox, all uncivilized and bad things like prostitution, drugs. If it is situated in first house, that is Lagna, the behavior, then that person has a flirting nature. Or in fifth house, that is love house, seventh house or 12th house. Seventh house is marriage house, or 12th house, that is sex house. So if Rahu is situated in all these four houses, first love house, 7th marriage house, 12th sixth house, then that person has a chances of doing that things. He enjoys doing multiple affairs. He feels proud, he or she feels proud of doing that. Girl will justify it through feminism, why I had multiple affairs, and a boy will feel proud and happy by doing these such things. And second one is Rahu conjunction with 5th house lord, love house lord, or marriage house lord, or 12th house lord. You can understand easily. Rahu conjunction with love house lord means a bad planet and the ruler of all unorthodox things is conjunction with love house lord. For example, here it is Mars or Saturn or Mercury. Got it? And this is the example only of a man who was divorced by his wife due to multiple affairs. You can see Rahu is placed in his 12th house, that is sex house. That's why that person has done such things, and obviously his wife will divorce him because of such things. Third one is Venus plus Rahu. Venus is the lord of love and sex. So if it is in conjunction with a lord of bad things, unorthodox things, in any of the houses, not only Lagan or love house or marriage house or sex house, in any house. Okay, because nowadays that's the age of so-called modern or feminism or liberalism. So if it is in 20 years ago it was not possible, I can say, but now it is possible. So the lord of sex is combined with lord of unorthodox, uncivilized things. Then that person will definitely do such things, whether he is a boy or a girl of India or America, doesn't matter. Fourth one is Moon plus Venus. Moon controls mind. The Western researchers are today saying yes, Moon has some connection with mind, but our ancestors have told it thousands of years ago that Moon controls mind. So the mind plus sex house lord in conjunction is love house or 8th house. 8th house, why I am saying, understand, 8th house is the house of secret relationship. So if it is combined in 8th house, that guy has a secret relationship, okay, it comes up, that's why he is divorced. Otherwise for so many years or couple of years, I don't know, he has a secret relationship. You can see Moon in 8th house means mind has so many secrets. Got it, the concept? Very easy. Mind is in secret house, secret knowledge, secret relationship house. That's why that guy has so many years, for so many years he has secret relationship. Or in 12th house, that is sex house, easily understandable. mind plus 6th house lord in 6th house lord. In today's world where there is so much vulgarity, man and woman are working together, so they're so obvious there will be attraction between them. Okay, and fifth one is 12th house lord plus 5th house lord. 12th house means 6th house plus 5th house lord, or 12th house plus marriage house lord, that is 7th house lord, conjunction in 8th house. Same concept again. 6th house plus love house lord in secret relationship house, or 6th house lord or marriage house lord in secret relationship house. Easily understandable, very easy. If you understand the basic to learn astrology part 1 to 4 on my channel list, then it will be very easy to understand. I think even a 10-12 year old boy or kid will understand. And sixth one is 5th house, 12th house and 7th house lord Mahadasa after a long time. This is a very new thing I am seeing. Very few astrologers will agree, I understand, but let me explain why. Nowadays there's so much vulgarity, there's so much lust in almost every human being. So after a long time of marriage, when the couple has started fighting or has started developing differences in between them, people concentrate on negativity more than positivity in a relationship or a relationship with a person guy. So after so much years of marriage, like 5-10 years depending upon which country you live, which society you live, then if someone got a Mahadasa, that is a major dasa, after so many years of marriage, then that person will start cheating or start having an affair with other person. Okay, very easy. Thank you for understanding. 4 more concepts are there. I will explain it next video, because video is already gone above 6 minutes. So next 4 concept I will teach you in next video. Please press the bell icon. Thank you.